Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install free VPN on iPhone in iOS 15. So let's start the video now. Open the App Store on your iPhone. On the App Store, click on search icon and under the search bar, type QROG VPN. QROG VPN. Click on the search icon. Here, click on Speedy QROG VPN. Now download this VPN on your iPhone. So guys, this is completely free VPN and you can also buy this VPN on your iPhone. So guys, after installing the VPN, click on the QROG VPN icon. Now it will be open. Here you have to click on the cross icon at the top left corner of the page. Here click on tap to connect. Click on allow. Enter iPhone passcode. Now an ad will appear on your screen, so close the ad. So guys, as you can see, VPN has been connected to my iPhone. Now you can easily access any website on your iPhone or iPad.